What you're going through right now is called reverse culture shock. Not culture shock, reverse culture shock. Look that up, guys. It's a serious issue. The more you look into what reverse culture shock is, when you read the symptoms and you read the different stages and you make yourself aware of how you're feeling, you then in turn will be more relaxed because you're going through all these emotions and you don't know why. And you feel confused, you feel flustered, and it's such a sudden switch of lifestyle, right? Like going from America to India or America to Yemen or America to some of these foreign countries. It's literally like night and day. When your mind flips that switch in a matter of hours, that's unnatural. If you think long ago and during history, right? A long ago before technology, it would take them days, months, and even sometimes years to get to where they're going, right? But here in today's world, we can go to places within 24 hours. A plane ride and you're already halfway across the world. That's a big deal. Your mind, its whole entire life is used to India. Can you imagine that? And then literally within 24 hours, you're in America. It's so unnatural. It's so surreal. Your mind will start playing games with you because your mind is still trying to register so much. It's like literally so much information. Everything's literally so different. And the people, the food, the smell, everything is so different that your mind gets that. In one day, your mind flipped. That's not easy, guys. So now, not only did she do that, but she didn't spend a long enough period to finish the stages of culture shock. That's the problem too.